Hello everyone, I am going to show you my snake game. Now I've remixed this game from someone else's work, which is quite common in Scratch. You'll notice when you explore other games on Scratch, you can click remix and then you can build on their games. That's what I've done. Now I've given below here, I've given credit to the original author of most of this game, and it's very important we do that. If we are remixing others' work, we need to give credit. So let's play this game. Now, I love Snake. This is a really old classic game. So I've called this series Code Club Coding the Classics. And does it get any more classic than Snake? So those of you that are really experienced with Scratch now are going to notice a few things. So let's look at these things like a game creator. So so you notice in the top left we have a score. Now each time the snake is eating the apple, the score increases. There you go. And you also notice that the snake is getting longer. Each time the snake eats an apple, the snake's tail gets a little longer. Now also, how to end this game is we can touch the edge, but the classic way in Snake is the snake bashes into itself. Oh, nearly. There you go. And we display game over. So as I said, let's think about this as a game creator. So we had first thing, snake up, down, left, right. I'm using the arrows on the keyboard, and in Scratch we're using, remember, the degrees on a circle. So up is 0, down is 180, right is 90, left is 270, or minus 90 in Scratch as well. We can use that. So the opposite of 90. Then we have the score increasing each time an apple is eaten by the snake. Then we have the snake bashing into itself and ending the game, and then we have this game over message being displayed. Oh, I haven't shown you what happens when you reach the edge. Let's start again. Here we go, snake to the edge. Game over. Oh no. Right. Here's the code. Now, as I said, the code is below here. I'll put a link below it here on YouTube. So we have 4 sprites. We have the snake's head, the tail, the apple, and we have this game over sprite. So for the snake's head, these are the key areas. If up arrow pressed, point in direction 0. If key down arrow pressed, go down. Then left, we have the minus 90, and right we have 90. We also have this if statement here. If touching edge, meaning the edge of the game area, or color, this pink color is touching this color, which means the snake's tail. Pink, which is the snake's tongue, is touching the tail. Broadcast game over and stop the game. Now, if we broadcast game over, we look at the game over sprite. When I receive game over, play the gong sound. Remember, we heard the gong sound. And also when the green flag clicked on game over, so raise the tail and start again. But we also have the apple. So apple, set score to 0 when the green flag is clicked. You know, just resets to 0 forever. There's a if touching snake's head. So if the apple is touching the snake's head, pick a random location. So you notice the apple moves around the screen. Change the score by 1, increase the score by 1. Score is a variable, increase by 1. Play the pop sound. It's sort of a, yep. And then we have this set tail length to 1 and set tail length to 0, which is kind of a cool way of doing it. I really like this, that this game creator has done. So if tail length 0, so this block of code here lengthens the tail. So we have the tail color, and then we have the length of tail set with this code. And then we also have, when I receive game over, stop all scripts. That's kind of, that is it. That is the game. Now I am going to leave this with you. As I say, below there, here is the link to the code. You can remix it. You can perhaps you can make a more interesting background than this white space. You might want to make a more interesting game over message. What else could you do? You could change the sprite from Apple to something else, Cheesy Puffs maybe. There will also be a way to make the game harder. You could have the snake speed up the higher the score gets. Yeah, okay, I am really looking forward to seeing what you will do. Okay, I want to see your code. Okay, everyone, bye.